Good morning, students. Dear students, today we are going to start new unit of maths, unit number 12. The name of the unit is Pictograph. Now let's start it. What is pictograph? An information can be expressed by separate different ways, like by numbers, by symbols, pictures, or by writing. It means you can express or you can tell any information by so many ways. By numbers, you can represent the numbers, you can represent the symbols, pictures, or by writing you can express any information. When an information is represented through pictures or symbols, it is called pictograph. Let's take an example. This is an apple. You can write apple, or you can draw it, or you can speak apple. There are the three ways you can express this apple. So now I am going to tell you what is data, what is pictograph, and what are tally marks. Number one is data. A data is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. That means a data is a collection of numbers. Any numbers can be there, gathered to give some information. When it will be gathered and it will give you any information, that is called as data. Now what is pictograph? A pictograph is a way of showing data, as I told you, using images, pictures, symbols, etc. Now what are tally marks? When the observations are very large and it may not be easy to find frequencies by simply counting them, then we use of tally marks. It means if the information is too long to express, the numbers are too long, then this is an easy way to express that information or number, that is tally marks. Tally marks are the bar such as straight line and the slant line. In this way, by drawing straight lines or slant lines, we can represent the tally marks. Now look at the example. If you want to write number 1, you can draw one slipping line. If you want to draw number 2, you will write two straight lines. If you want to write number 3, then you will draw 3 straight lines, then 4 for 4 straight lines. Now if you want to represent number 5, then first of all write 4 straight lines, then cross it by giving the slant line. It means this is the number 5. The same way you will write number 6, 5 by cutting the 4 numbers by slanting line, then plus number 1, that is 6, then 7, then 8, and for number 10 you will write 5 plus 5, that will be number 10. So on you can represent the numbers by giving the tally marks. Now again, pictograph. A pictograph has 4 main parts. So there are 4 main parts of pictograph. Number 1 is title, then label, then pictures, and the key. Now I am going to explain you what is title, what is label, pictures, and key. Number 1 is title. It tells us what the pictograph is about. That means you have to give the title to the every pictograph. So it must be there, the title of the, you can say the title of the pictograph. Then is label. It tells us what kind of data is shown. You will give the data names that are called as labels. Now number third is pictures. It tells us the given numbers of objects, pictures. Now next is key. The number each picture is equal to. That means if you are showing the smiley that is equal to, that will be equal to number 5, then you will give the number 5 to that key picture. That is called as key. So next, come to the question. Let's take an example of this question. Now I am going to read the question first, then I will let you know how you will do it. The question is, all the students of class 3 went for a picnic to zoo. The teacher asked the student to vote for their favorite animal following were the observation. So table is given. In this table so many types of animals are there like tiger, lion, deer, giraffe and elephants. Again and again they are repeating the names of the animals. What you have to do, come to the next page. Here are some questions given. You have to read the questions and you have to fill the table according to the questions and give the answer. Now here table is given. In this tables, now as I told you, animals, in a first column you have to write the animals. Animals mean these are the labels, and the title of the pictograph is, this is a picture of a data of the zoo. So the title is the data of zoo and animals are the labels. We are giving the labels like lion, tiger, giraffe, elephant, deer. Now here the tally marks. You have to give the tally marks according to the table given. Now here in the table so many types of animals are there. You have to count the animals according to the given table. Tally marks are given here. Lion for 5, tiger, how many times they have shown that tiger is given, how many times they have shown giraffe, elephant and deer. So here in the question, first read out first number one question. Which animal was the most favorite? Here look at the table. I have given the number, I have counted the animals, which animals is given how many times. So lion is given 5 times. So lion is shown 5 times, tiger 11, giraffe 4, like this way I have given the table. So question number 1 is which animal was the most favorite. Now here you can see, look at the tables, here the number column. Which animal was the most favorite? Yes, the deer. The answer is deer was the most favorite animal because it has been shown 12 times. Now question number 2, how many more children like elephants than lion? Now how many times they have seen the elephants? They have seen elephants 8 times and lion 5 times. Now you have to subtract the elephants from the lion, and the remaining is that the elephants are shown 3 more than lions, 3 times more than lion. Now question number 3 is how many kids were surveyed? Now you have to total all the animals. So answer will be there, 40 kids were surveyed. Now question number 4, which animal was less popular? Less mean least, minimum times they have shown that animal. The number 4, the giraffe was the less popular animal. Now question number 5, the last question, how many less children like tiger than deer? Deer, they have shown the deer 12 times and the tiger 11 times. So difference between deer and tiger is 1. So the answer is 1. So students, in this way you can draw the pictograph and you can mark the tally marks and you can write the number over here and you can give the answers of the following given questions. Listen the video carefully and try to do yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.